See the generalized and common definition of cyber security. Cyber security is a way of protecting the networks, computers, data centers, and other networks, servers, and other programs from the attacks of cyber criminals. Cyber security consists of technologies, processes, and controls designed to protect systems, servers, data centers, networks, programs, devices, and data from cyber attacks. That is called cyber security. So, basic cyber security concepts. Where do I start? Sir, I am a beginner of cyber security. I don't have any programming knowledge. No problem. You need to start with the basics like identify threats, protect information, detect attacks and intrusions, respond to attacks and intrusions, recover database and information security, and rebuild defenses against intrusion. So these are the 5 mandatory things while practicing of protecting your computers, systems, servers, electronic devices, data center from malicious attacks. Then see the cyber security, cyber threat evolution when it started. In the year 1977, virus came. Virus full form is vital information resource under siege. There are various types of viruses you can see in the computer world. In the year 1995, breaking websites. In the year 2000, malicious code that is called Melissa, and 2003 to 2004 advanced worm and trojan viruses came into the world. Then 2005 and 2006 credit card theft, especially in USA and Australia. Then 2007 and 8 organized crime data theft. This is a cyber threat evolution. If you see history of cyber security proper began in the year 1972 with a research project called ARPANET. ARPANET is nothing but the Advanced Research Project Agency Network, that is called ARPANET. In this junction, I would like to remind computer networks derived from the ARPANET. So ARPANET expansion is Advanced Research Project Agency Network. And so late 1988, a man named called Robert Morris had an idea. He wanted to gauge the size of the internet. So Robert Morris became the first person successfully charged under the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act. Although this ended happily for him, now he is working as a currently tenured professor at MIT, USA. See, he is the first culprit, computer fraud, because he gauged the size of the internet. Now he is working as one of the greatest professor in cyber security world at MIT, USA. So cyber security statistics, if you see, 35% of cyber security breaches are caused by human error. The worldwide information security market will reach 170 billion US dollars in the year 2022. An average only 5% of company folders are properly protected. The average cost of a data breach is 3.86 million US dollars. Phishing attacks account for more than 80% of security breach incidents. On average, every employee has access to 11 million files. The healthcare industry lost around 25 billion US dollars to ransomware attacks last year. By 2022, 100% of large companies will have a Cisco position for hiring. By 2022, there will be 4 million unfilled cybersecurity jobs globally. So, being a student, being a faculty, we can concentrate on this cybersecurity emerging topic in IT field. See, these are the global cyber crime damage in the year 2021, 16.4 billion US dollars per day, and 684.9 million US dollars per hour, 11 million US dollars per minute, and 1,90,000 US dollars per second. See, can you imagine global crime, cyber crime damage in the last year 2021?